All right, let's get a little impact going. Get these brackets off. And get this bumper put on today. There we go. Did you push it? Push it. There you go. These kids would play outside all day, every day, rain or shine. These two love to be outside. So I'm not going out there. It's freezing. I just plugged up their trucks for them. And I'm gonna look for some loads. There's an Uber load, but the reviews are pretty bad. And I think I've been there before, but it's pelletized plastic. Going down to, we're going up to Chattanooga area, so who knows. It was 800 yesterday. It's 900 for the one that picks up at 1 o'clock right now, and it's 1150 or something for the one that picks up in an hour, but I wouldn't be able to make that one. I wouldn't be able to get the truck warmed up. So we'll see what we get. But in the meantime, they like playing in the freezing cold. Whatever, got some jackets on. Okay then, we are done with the DMV. Got that new truck titled in place of the race truck and transfer the plates. So now we're gonna head home, get T-Dub's truck to the oil change place because the Escalade needs one. And then I'm gonna go work on this bumper because it's not, I mean, it's 40 degrees, but it's sunny, you know? Let's get this bumper loaded up. I am letting this thing run because it started up weak again today. Just don't drive it enough. And thank you, Robbie, our neighbor, for letting me borrow your driveway because you work all day and I love it. Thank you for your driveway, buddy. But we'll slow the bumper in the back of this girl and get these boys. I got the Cobra washed and shined up. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that car. It gets picked up a couple weeks. So let's get this thing's oil changed and see what these two kids are doing before the biggest kid gets home from school. Aha, I snuck in. I snuck in the back way because T-Dubs had me locked out. Aye. But hey, it's only 31 bucks to get that truck transferred too. And Blaze is, hey, don't jump on the couch. Blaze is rocking. What's up, Dubs?
Hey, I'm doing
Tickle laundry?
We've been playing all day. I've got nothing done today.
Well, before you heard my voice, I was gonna go, hi baby, where's your pants? I find it kind of weird I gotta ask you twice.
Dada!
Hi baby.
Dada!
I got a new license plate for you. Hi baby.
Dada!
Let's go change the oil in Mama's car and put a bumper on. You sound good?
Dada!
Hi baby. All right, come here. Oh, let's get your pants on. Come on. We're dropping Mama's car off at the oil change place. But Mama wanted to drive the monster truck. I don't know, I think she loves that truck. She does?
So she used to didn't like it, but now she
Oh, she's always loved it. I tried to sell it and she said nope. Yeah, I had a guy offer me a little north of 70000 and
tried to sell it to him, but
yeah, Mama said I love this truck, so we kept it.
Yep, so we're gonna keep it.
Yeah, so let's go get the oil change in Mama's car. Cool? Means it wants to go fast.
Yeah, I'm gonna open my window so I can hear the.
Okay, if you hear the horn, let me do your unlock. There you go. So when Dad was coming home with the monster truck, that train was just getting set up, and he you heard it? There you go. He barely was about to start when I went. He gave you three toots.
Yeah, because it has 3 engines.
3 engines. Oh, 3 toots for 3 engines?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, well, we've got perfect timing that they were done by the time I got back and got
I can
home.
smell Mama's engine.
You can smell Mama's diesel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, that train has diesel.
Maybe I can smell both of them.
Maybe you can smell them both. Yeah, the train smells just like Mama's truck.
Yeah. There Mama goes.
There she goes.
That was a pretty big horn.
Yeah. Mama's got a horn like that in her truck, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Well,
the train one is bigger.
it is bigger. All right, let's go get the oil changed.
Look, there's the wheels.
Yeah, there's the wheels. Oil change, and then I promise this video will get to a bumper install eventually. We just had some errands to run. A little bit of paddle work and oil changes. Then we'll get the
Oh, look,
bumper loaded up.
the trailer.
There's a trailer. Yep, there's more train cars. They're called cars.
Is that what?
I'm not sure. I think he's not picking up that one. I think another one's going to come by and pick up those ones. Or maybe they're going to back up to that one and get it, actually. Maybe.
But it's long though. Will it get heavier?
Yeah, get heavier. Yep, the more cars.
It doesn't have any engine on it.
Yeah, they're going to probably hook back up to it and pull
Oh,
it.
I see another engine that a train has.
Wow.
It's a really long.
Really long one.
I think I saw an engine up
We're going to pass Mama. We're faster than her. It stays hot.
This world, it stays hot a little and then it turns nighttime.
It does.
And then Christmas.
All right. Yep. Sunrise Auto, guys. That 4392 next to me. Uh-oh. He's in my face. Come on, Kason. Love this place, though, guys. In Greenville area, 864-228-0576. Give them a call. They've been like family to me. Let's go, Jordan, man. I like your shoes. Yeah, buddy. All right, go get in Mama's truck. Or you want to say hi to the guys inside? That's how they used to deliver the mail a long time ago. See how the steering wheel's on the other side? Steering wheel's on the right. Well, inline 6. Heck yeah. Yeah, the motor's straight inline like the monster truck. It's got a new distributor cap, trying to get it going. There you go. Well, watch out. Come on. And they got a,
It goes.
yeah.
And after it sirens.
It does have sirens. There you go. We got a little LS right here. GM 5.3.
What are those tires
That's exactly what we need right there. Square port and heads. Yeah, baby.
called? What are those tires called?
Oh, those are just skinny old tires. All right, let's go get the Mama's car checked in. That's pretty cool, though, huh?
I want a candy cane.
Okay, you want candy cane? What 5?
There's 5 on the money.
That's the serial number. So every piece of currency has a number on it. For like the batch it was made. How's that donut, crazy man?
What does that say?
So we are waiting.
What does that say?
On the very bottom it says $1. Whoa, it says $1, but I can't read the other part. So we're waiting for DW. She's going into Gill Box. Hi, Kylan.
What's that middle called?
You guys need to get back in your seats. What's that middle what called?
A middle piece of it.
It says $1. Right there, $1. How's your donuts? You got some packages? All right, all right.
We have a bunch
You
of
hold
I'm
those?
assuming these are all Christmas cards, which makes me really excited. I love Christmas cards. Look at this.
Oh,
So exciting.
nice. Thanks for getting that stuff from the good old post
Can we open
office.
them?
What's in it?
Something blue, huh?
What? It's not blue. It's cars! It's made cars!
Oh my goodness.
It's on Hot Wheels.
Wow. Who are they from?
Who are they?
Whoa.
Whoa.
There's a note. Oh, Kaka, come over here. Oh, we got a.
Are these for us?
Oh, an IROC? Yes.
Are these for us?
2
Are
IROCs.
these for us?
Those are for you. Who are they?
One.
I just struck in. I saw you like the other Kyle Busch card. Saw another color and then threw in some other cards. I know Justin and the boys will like. Keep up the great videos. Sincerely, Joni Rios. Thank
Nice.
you.
Thank you so much. That's awesome. I love it.
And then,
Kyle Busch, baby.
oh my goodness, oh, they're gonna love
And the
this.
IROC.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Okay. You guys know the way to my kids' hearts?
They really do.
I know, man.
Oh no, there's more stuff in there.
What?
Queen Bee.
This is all from the same person?
I don't know who this is from. No, this is
That's someone else?
King.
King. Thank you, King.
It says King.
From New York?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. No, I just saw it in the box. What? Super. Oh, goodness. That one's going to be fought over right there. Thanks a lot, King.
Oh. Thank you. And Wendy's. That's probably for chicken sandwiches, eh?
Yeah, chicken sandwiches. Thank you, King.
Thank you so much. And then there's this one.
All right. What's in that one? Did you already open it?
I did.
Nice.
Says, hi Justin and Katie, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. These are for the legs of the stools in the kitchen.
So they don't.
Make that noise. Oh, cool.
Those are awesome. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Mitchell Darlington.
Thank you, Mitchell.
Thank you.
Those are awesome. Thank you so much, everyone. Where were these from? Who are they from?
King. Oh no, that's
Matt.
from.
Yes, Kason.
That's a different one because look, mine even has a bird on it.
Whoa. Yeah, so these.
birds.
So,
Mine
Kason.
has a bird on it.
Yeah, Kason. So that car right there in your hand is the first car Dad
this
ever
is
had.
cool.
Oh, that's a truck.
Okay. Well, that car in your hand, Casey, the first car I ever had.
This is
And
awesome.
we're gonna get one of those when we're done with the chicken
Now
car.
now the stools won't go.
Brrr.
Thank you guys so
Which one are you gonna
much.
pick?
Superman.
Oh, go figure. Superman.
The cars were from, I want to say it was Joni Rio.
Okay, thank you, Joni.
If
That's
I'm pronouncing
awesome.
that right. Yeah, Joni Rio.
Joni, thank you. Yes,
Thank
baby.
you guys so
Thank you so much, guys. Kai Kai.
Oh my goodness, all
you
the
gotta.
Christmas cards.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
We got some awesome Christmas cards.
Yeah. That one does have a screaming chip. That's true. Very true. Kylan, look. Look, you can pick one of these. Ooh. All right, guys. Well, got one loose now. It's only 2 bolts. Yes, baby. I'm going to get this bracket off. Once I pull that out, I'm going to see how heavy, once I pull that out, this whole bracket will come off. See how heavy that thing is. And then we'll get this thing loaded up and see how easy it is. It should be pretty, I say should be pretty easy, but this one is made by Valley. Well, it says Valley Chrome Plating. I don't think that's who made it. I think that's who chromed it. But it's a, what, 11-20340. All right. Looks like it's pretty universal with all the different mounting points. See that? Okay, let's get those brackets off and go see what's up. Oh, monster truck?
Big cut.
Whoa, big cars.
You said that?
Oh, those are for stools. Ooh, wow. Good job. So these are the 2 big brackets you have. You can see they have so many different options for mounting. So they come from the factory with them facing into the bumper. So I imagine that you're going to be flipping them around. So really test them before you get them tightened down, because there's only one hole on the top that's going to match this hole and that hole. So you got to make sure that's lined up right. Yeah, baby. Oh, okay. Thank you. I'll check. Colin, come over here. Yes. Okay. Come back over here, away from the street. Thank you. Yeah. So pay attention to that, and we'll do that once we get over there. But let's load this thing. Let's load this bumper in the truck and get over to the big truck. We will check his diaper. What's up, dude? How was school? Cool? Good times. I like your shirt. Hi-ya!
You're not going to believe what I did.
Tell me.
I almost broke my ankle.
Oh, on the way up there and went back.
No, like standing in front of the bus stop, I was pacing, and then I stepped in like one of those water holes, and my
Oh,
foot went
jeez.
through it, and I dropped, and I pulled my foot out. My shoe was still in there.
Whoa.
Wow, so you had to pull your shoe out?
I did. There's mud all
So there's donuts for you, and there's monster truck. I don't know what the wings are on that thing, but it's pretty cool, right?
I want these mine.
Yep.
This mine? Yeah.
Hey.
You want to see mine?
Yes, it is.
Yes, we got these for you too.
We got 2 big toes. Yeah, buddy.
We gotta do some homework, bro.
All right, bumper time.
You know what?
Sorry, we
So you want help?
Yeah, I will in a little bit. Okay, we're almost to the bumper, but before we get there, we have to go ahead and pick up T-Dub's car, because they're done with it already. They are super quick. Sunrise Auto. Let's pay for it. Okay, so what I was saying there, guys, these brackets, when you get them, they're flipped around as the same lip as this. So what I did is I just matched them up to the holes. These 2 holes and that angle hole right here match up perfectly with these 3 bolts. So make sure you have them on the right side before you get them on there. So we're gonna get this bumper off, but we wanted to make sure which side was left and right before we got that on there. But there is a little preview of what it's gonna look like. Well, let's get that old one off. Yep. All right, Papa, fire away. Okay, guys, she's toothless. That's what a K-Dub looks like without no bumper. Let's put the pretty one on. So now it comes to the lighting, guys, and we were trying to put them on by shoving the whole thing in there. But take off the rubber grommet, put it in first. And way easier. Papa's getting them loose for us. And when we were doing the bumper, guys, it was pretty easy. Like the brackets went on easy. And then we just had to lift up real hard on this side and then push it into place. It was way easier than we actually thought it was gonna be. But get those grommets in first and then get those lights in. Okay, well, thank you, Papa, for all your help. Couldn't have done it without you. I'll see you back at the house. Oh man, it came out great, guys. And it's not that big of a job, guys. So if you're doing a bump yourself, do not fret. It is pretty dang easy. And you can see yourself in it. Pretty cool. All right. Okay. Watch out, Case.
Okay, so gumbo.
There's the gumballs.
I want to kind you will get?
I don't know. We have to ask them. See if they have any coins. We have to see if they have any coins.
Yeah.
All right, where's Papa Gigi? Huh.
Yep.
Found him. Hey! Come on, Case. What's up, baby? What kind of games are you playing over here?
He said, come on, G.
Come on, Gigi.
Come on, G.
Ooh, go play.
Look.
Go play. Ooh.
Come on.
Come on, Gigi.
What are we drinking, Fran?
I brought them all this time, and they can't wait to get coins from you.
Oh, I got coins.
Oh, she got coins.
First, yeah.
Oh.
I knew I loved her.
Papa worked hard today, so he deserves a beer. He was wrenching. He was wrenching today. Well, we're gonna get some grub at Full House, guys, and what a heck of a game! Whoa, I don't know what that is. Really? Wow, what is that? Ooh. Whoa, here you go. Here you go. Ooh, 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 ooh. You want to hold it? Okay. What a heck of a game last night too for Alabama and Georgia. Was a pretty good game. Congrats to that walk-on Bennett that ended up winning. Oh, you're gonna spot it? Why don't you guys play it? You together. I'm gonna order some food. Oh, there we go. There we go. I will. Why don't you go ahead and put them all the right way, and then put them all back the right way, buddy.
Hey, do you want some french fries?
Right there. We're gonna get some grub, guys, and that's how you put a 20-inch box bumper on.
Yes, it pan.
And come to Full House whenever you can.